Cons Maths 5 Plus, page 42. Dear students, today we'll learn about time. Look at this wall clock. It is a circle-shaped wall clock. It has 3 hands. The minute hand is long. The hour hand is short. The second hand is thin. A clock has 3 hands. Long hand shows minutes. Short hand shows hours. Thin hand shows seconds. When the minute hand is at 12, it shows the full hour. The hour hand is at 8. The minute hand is at 12. It is 8 o'clock. Tell the time. From left to right in the first wall clock, the hour hand is at 6, while the minute hand is at 12. It is 6 o'clock. Write 6 in the blank under the first wall clock. From left to right in the second wall clock, the hour hand is at 8, while the minute hand is at 12. It is 8 o'clock. Write 8 in the blank under the second wall clock. From left to right in the third wall clock, the hour hand is at 7, while the minute hand is at 12. It is 7 o'clock. Write 7 in the blank under the third wall clock. Respectable teachers and parents, make the children see and tell the time in a wall clock. Tell them that 1 hour has 60 minutes, while 1 minute has 60 seconds. Use flashcards to make them learn telling the time more efficiently. Advise them to respect their time, telling them that time once gone never returns. Ask the children to draw the time of their lunch and dinner on their notebooks. Tell interesting and motivational quotes about time to the children so that they may value their precious time. Appreciate the children's involvement in all activities related to time telling and clap for them. Thank you.